everyone! In this video, I'm going to unbox my brand new Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus and give you a brief review of this phone. I'm hoping this video can help you to get to know more about the Galaxy S10 Plus if you are looking to get one of it. This video is not sponsored and I bought this phone by using my own money. All the comments are made by me as a user and I hope you can find the information useful. Okay, let's get started. Inside the packaging, it contains a phone, a wall and USB charger, a USB connector, and a pair of AKG stereo headsets. And also there is a quick start guide and user manual attached at the top. Here I'm going to talk about the basic specification. It has a 6.4-inch display, 3040 x 1440 pixels in resolution, weight 6.70 ounces, which is slightly lighter than a Galaxy S9 Plus, which is 6.66 ounce. It has 128GB storage, running an Android version 9. I bought this in color Prism Black. The black glass has a reflective black paint. The frame is covered in that same black color to tie the whole look together. There are two ways to unlock the phone. The first one is face detection. I'm not going to talk much as most of the newly launched phones are having the same function. The second one is the ultrasonic fingerprint ID. This is one of my favorite new functions I like the most of Galaxy S10 Plus. Have you ever tried to unlock the phone many times but your phone cannot recognize your face? Trust me, I got this problem many times. It was frustrating when you are in some time urgent. You can't unlock the phone and end up you have to type your password. It definitely slows you down and always have a chance to forget and type your password wrong. With this ultrasonic fingerprint ID function, it allows users just simply tap the screen to unlock the phone. How simple it is, and fingerprint seldom goes wrong. I'm happy Samsung launched this ultrasonic fingerprint ID function to give a second option to unlock the phone. Here comes to the camera. The back has 3 cameras. The first one has a 16 megapixel for the ultra wide angle shot. The second one has 12 megapixel for the wide angle shot. And the last one has 12 megapixel for the telephoto. The front has 2 cameras. One has 10 megapixel and the other one has 8 megapixel. It allows 4K video capture. Here comes to the new function that's not a surprise, but I find it convenient. It is the wireless power share. The Galaxy S10 Plus acts as portable charging device, which allow wirelessly charge with other smartphones. It is not fast charging, but it do offer a little help when the phone is running out of battery. Apart from wireless power share, it has fast wireless charging 2.0 and you can use your Samsung wireless charger pad for wireless charging as well. It is water resistant, which allows the phone can survive up to a maximum depth of 1.5 meters underwater for up to 30 minutes. Price for the device only start at $1,000 US. Other option is to start with a price of contract with the mobile service providers instead of purchasing just a phone in one go. It also comes with a phone plan so you don't have to take $1,000 immediately to take it home. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys want to know more about the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, leave me a comment down below. I'm happy to answer all of it. Again, thank you and I hope to see you guys next time. Bye bye.